Fix in 5. P0462. Fuel level sensor A circuit low. Signal voltage below expected threshold. If your scanner through this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. You can keep driving for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Fuel gauge reads empty or fluctuates erratically. Fuel gauge remains stuck at one position. Check engine light illuminated. Possible fuel pump relay clicking. Intermittent. No fuel pump prime on ignition key turn. Now the most likely causes. Fuel level sensor fault or internal resistance failure. Corroded or loose connector at fuel pump module. Damaged wiring harness to fuel sender unit. Failed fuel pump module assembly. Low battery voltage affecting sensor signal. What does it cost? Roughly €45-180 doing it yourself, or €165-300 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace fuel tank sender/level sensor assembly. Clean and reseat fuel pump module connector. Repair damaged wiring or replace harness section. Replace fuel pump module if sender integral. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0462? The cost to fix P0462 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device, put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0462. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.